How to resize Canva template. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily resize your Canva template. So first, just head over to your canva.com with any of your browser and simply select any of the project. So I will simply select my random project, or I can also create a new customized one. So I prefer 1080 by 1000p 1080. You can choose any one of these. So I'll simply select one sample project for me, and I will also create a new project so that I can paste my design template over here. So this is for the template design and this is for the resize design. So let me just quickly select any one of these free templates available over here, and once I select it, and I will just drag and drop it like this. So basically I will have to resize it to a fresh design page. So to do that, I can simply select any one of these completely just like this, and I will simply paste it over here to my another template project over here, and simply Ctrl V. So I can basically resize it by simply dragging each element just like this, and I can also change its color by simply heading over to this plus section, and I can just copy the color code of this particular page to my resizing page over here, where I'm actually resizing my design, and I can simply click on this plus icon and simply paste the same background color over here as well. And once I'm satisfied, I can just drag and drop each element just like this and resize and remove the unnecessary design as well. So it's quite easy to resize it, and you can also add more colors to make it look good just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.